your school may request additional education service contracting slots for the next school year. To create a request for additional slots, select Tools in the navigation panel. Then click Request Additional ESC Slots for next school year. Encode the school's grade 7 enrollment for the past school years. Projected enrollment in the incoming school year. Then provide the number of additional slots requested and the total junior high school classrooms. Click Save to submit the request. The number of additional slots requested should not exceed the projected grade 7 enrollment.